This is a studio apartment located in the Duke at 333 East 11th Avenue. Starting at the front entrance, there is a hallway that intersects leftwards and rightwards. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Left of the entrance is a long spacious closet. Rightwards of the entrance, there is a hallway that leads straight ahead. On the immediate right is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features a cupboard below a quartz countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Ahead of the bathroom, there is a kitchen to the left. The single-line kitchen includes a fridge, sink, microwave, quartz countertop, as well as a stovetop. There is ample storage space in the gray upper and lower cabinetry. Across from the kitchen is a spacious walk-in closet. At the end of the hallway is the dining and living room. On the back wall, the room features a large glass sliding door with window coverings that leads onto the balcony. On the immediate right, there is a pull-out bed frame that transforms into a dining table put away.